Hi, Eric Mercia here with another episode of Tech Tip Tuesday. And today I'm going to be hopefully sharing with you a really cool feature that pertains to Windows 10 users that have Android devices. Unfortunately, iPhone or iOS devices are not supported. But it's a really neat feature that I think is going to make a big difference in people's productivity. And for those of you that don't know, I switched to a Mac platform that I run a Windows, what's called a virtual machine on, and I did that some time ago, really as an experiment, and I just fell in love with the versatility of the platform, and I continue to use it. I guess now going on 2 years, or maybe it's actually 3 years. One of the really neat things about that, though, is I'm constantly communicating with clients via text message. That just seems to be one of the best ways to communicate with people these days. And having to break out my phone or my iPad and send messages from there was just really cumbersome. And it wasn't until a little while after use that I realized that the Mac laptops or the MacBook Pro or any Mac for that matter integrated text messaging with my phone, and it enabled me to send and receive text messages from my phone. Once I realized that, man, I mean, I'm like a speed demon these days with sending and replying to text messages directly from my computer, and it allows me to leave my phone or whatever other device off in the corner, either charging or oftentimes I leave it on silent so it doesn't interrupt my day. So yeah, there is a functionality that is built into Windows 10, and I'm going to show you how to use that. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to the Google Play Store and you have to download the Cortana app. If you don't know, Cortana is like Siri or like Hey Google or whatever it is that they call it. And it is a personal assistant software. It's Microsoft's personal assistant software. Now, once you've downloaded the app, the first thing you need to do is log in with your Microsoft account or create one if you don't have one. Once you're done with that and you open up the app, in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see something that looks like 3 or 4 little bars. They call it a hamburger menu or settings menu. When you click on that, you're going to see Home, Notebook, Reminders. We want to click on Settings, and then we want to click on Sync Notifications. And once we've done that, we want to make sure that missed call, incoming message notification, I would turn on low battery notification, and app notification sync are all set to enabled. So once we've done that on the phone, we're pretty well done. Now we come over here into Windows where we've already got Cortana set up. I'm just going to click down there and that little blue icon is Cortana coming up. Then I click on the settings menu inside of here, and I'm going to go to notifications, and I've already turned it on, but ordinarily this would be off and you would have to just click on it to turn it on, where it says send notifications between devices. This will make sure that if you miss a call, like let's say you forget, you leave your phone on silent, you're going to get a notification pop up on your desktop saying, hey, you missed a call. If you get a text message or low battery on your phone, it's also going to pop up. Now the neat thing about the text message piece is you can, using Cortana, send a text message to anyone that's in your address book on Windows. Not on your phone. They have to be on Windows, so it assumes that you're syncing the two in some way, form, or fashion. Or if a notification or a text message comes in and you go over here, you would see it show up in this Action Center, and at that point you would be able to go in and just click and start replying on your keyboard. I cannot tell you how much this has increased my productivity, being able to send and receive text messages on the Mac platform through my iPhone. So I was hoping that this will bring some additional productivity to folks that use Android and are on the Windows 10 platform. So that's your tech tip for this week. Look forward to talking to you again next week.